Hello students, today I am going to explain about how to create a website without any help of other experts or any HTML codings. Usually you all know to create a website first we need to learn one language, that is Hypertext Markup Language HTML. Using HTML coding we can create the website. But today I'm going to explain without using that HTML coding or without any other expert's help how to create a website. So for that first you need to open your browser. In the address bar type wix.com, wix wix.com. Okay, so let's start. I already typed in my address bar wix.com. Then you will get this sign up form. So to create a free website, first we need to log in with Wix website. Wix is a very famous website creating website builders. Wix software. Okay, so to create, type in your address bar wix.com. You will get this sign in option. So usually 3 types you can sign in. With your Facebook account you can sign. With your Google account, that means your Gmail ID, using your Gmail ID you can sign in. Otherwise you need to register in your left side you can see the registration form. You can directly register to the Wix website. So now I used my Google account, that is Gmail account, and I sign in to the Wix. Anybody can sign in using your Gmail account or Facebook ID or directly with the registration. So using Facebook account ID I am registering now. After typing the email address and password, just log in. Then you will get such kind of one form. In that they will ask what kind of website you need to create. Why they are asking first what type of website? If it is a business website, if you are going to create a business website, you will get the platforms like business format. That's why they are asking. Photography means photography related to photography platforms, it will be available more. So that's why first you need to select what kind of website you are going to create. Select any one. After that you will get 2 options, that is let Wix create a website. That means Wix need to create and give one website for you, or you will only create your own website. So select choose a template option. Create your website with the editor. Choose a template option you select. So they will show related to your choice lot of templates, many templates. I think more than 10 pages of templates options will be available. This Wix platform is working on the basis of completely templates. So you can design your own template, and also you should have some idea about how your website looks like. Okay, so depends on that idea you need to select one platform. One platform you need to select from this. So 10 pages of templates are available, that all pre-designed templates. Everything is ready, pre-designed templates, and all templates are very user friendly and mobile friendly also. If you are creating from system, it is easily accessible in your mobile also. So once you select any one platform, you can see edit and view, 2 options. I selected one template. Edit and view, 2 options are available. In that select edit option, because you need to create your own website. As per your idea you need to create the website. So we need to edit the platform. Select on edit option. So which platform I selected. With that platform, using lot of options, you will get one more screen. Here you can edit as per your requirements. So once you enter inside the platform, you can see two options in the top right corner here. Here with blue color circle I marked. One is one system icon, one is mobile icon. So once you click the mobile icon, it will show how your website is visible in your mobile. Okay, it's very user friendly and mobile friendly also. So if you click on that mobile icon, it will show how it looks like in your mobile. Next, let's start with the website editing. You can see different options in that scroll down. You will get different options and all these areas can edit by users. Right side you can see different options and left side also you can see different options. And once you want to edit, select just using your mouse, just double click. Here leaders in quality, construction and infrastructure heading you can see. If you want to edit and type your own content, just double click, you can edit it. And your left side you can see background. That means background picture you want to change, you can change. You can add background videos also. And if you want to add something extra, that means some any extra features you want to add, that means as per additional requirements we can add your chat box, your contact list, your social media link, anything. If you want to add, click on that add option. So like that, any kind of editing is very easy, but before that you need some idea about how your platform you need. As per your requirement, you can edit in any area in this page. Once you finish all editing, in the top right corner, you can see three options: save, preview, publish. Preview option, you all know, you can see the preview of your website. And once you click the save option, it's a good idea to save your works regularly. Your photos, videos, anything, whatever you want, you can edit it. And top you can see home, services, about, project. That is different menu options in your website. Instead of the services, you need to add pictures or images. There also you can edit. Inside you can save your images. Okay, then last, finish your all editing work. Last you go for publish option. Once you click the publish option, you will get these type of two options. First is get a free wix.com domain. Here as per my login ID, they only created one link. That link is going to become your online link. And you can see here my site. Instead of my site, here also editing is possible. You can edit and create, you edit and type your own name, customized name you can give. This is free option. Free options also have disadvantages that I will tell. Then connect your own customized domain means you can purchase the domain from the net. For that you need to pay. If you pay and purchase, you will get lot of additional options. Okay, now we are just creating, so we are not going to purchase anything. So here you will get one link and my site you can edit. That place you can edit and you can give your own customized name. Last, you can click save and continue option. So once you click on save and continue, you will get this congratulations window. Congratulations window with your, in red color I marked the website link. Just remember this website link and note down this website link and click here done. So your website creation is over. Okay, once you create it, after that again, if you want to see your website online, once you click on publish, means you are going to use your site as live online. Okay, so just click on another tab, type this address. What address you are getting from the Wix website, that address you type in the address bar and check your website. Okay, this is one easy method to create website. So obviously easy methods have disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? Many kind of different types of ads will come in between, so we can't remove the ads. If it is a purchased version, you can remove the ads will not be. So if it is a free version, you will get lot of advertisements in between, and here directly you are drag and drop the designs. Correct, all the platforms you are just drag and drop methods very easy, but it will discourage your creativity, or it will limits your creativity. You are using directly, so it will reduce your creative ideas. And obviously we have some privacy issues, security issues always will be there with the free options. So all these things you remember before you publish your website. But it's very easy method to create a website, and if you want to see how will be your website, you can create and check it. Okay, we'll continue with some other interesting topics. Thank you.